Welcome to Behind the Scenes with Blue Lotus Designs. The first step is to remove all the hardware and the old lining of the box. Make sure to remove all the extra paper and gunk stuck to the box. Then sand the box well and prepare it for painting. After stripping and cleaning the box, I paint it with Dixie Belle mineral chalk paint in the color Fluff. Give it 2 coats of paint. Once the paint has dried completely, then choose and cut the desired transfer design to size. Remove the backing and place the transfer on the box. Using the provided wooden or plastic tool, rub the transfer onto the painted area. For this project, I have used transfer from Redesign with Prima called French Ceramics. You can purchase these from Amazon or Etsy. I have lined the interiors of the box and drawers with self-adhesive velvet fabric. These can be purchased on Amazon. For the ring holders, I am using foam hair rollers cut to fit the size of the partition. I attach the velvet fabric onto them and glue them in place. Repeat this step for all the rollers needed. You can glue them down with E6000 or a hot glue gun. The last step is to paint the edges of the box with liquid gold paint. I have taped some areas with painter's tape to make it easier to paint the edges. For the gold, I've used Plaid Liquid Leaf in classic gold. They are easily available on Amazon. You can use gold wax or any other product you like for this as well. This is an optional step. I just feel it gives the box a very elegant look and feel. I am doing the same for the drawers and doors as well. After this step, all that's left is to put the hardware back on and reconstruct the box. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.